Why is Skul using this now? The reason why was I mean, we can just option. Just option. Yeah, we'll just think of it what's the best way to. Not to take
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla mentaksini khanyau terik risau la Leit benjurip hi dala dia ke Skul Pinemount hadian ke jingmi ke jingkin tho bar ke jingkedau ne kino hikai bar kin khna skul ke jing ko kor company aj bej ba ke jing duna ke babon ke jing don kam joki khna pule hari ni ke singi lesen ran lang ringkat menteri ke tanat pule puti ba lakon remboi ke secretary ke health and family welfare kongreseta merik kurba nalor kiwe Habakiran mikila patai kubor menteri Rangba ula kubur bagi dan bon kijing duna bagi pangkhana ki jobo ki yeng sa lani ki hostel ru kimde ki babet babiang balalab ru ka auditorium hall ka basyupen yang khongreng klempen dan kam ulong wa yementa on wan lat swa ban pen kriya ki khna sa hostel ban on sa wan lat ban thau pen bha ban penan kam no ya kani ka auditorium susu ha bai dei bagi jing dawa ki no hikai ban pen her suki no ek principal Jong ati ke skul ka kong ayam ksar ding do nakale menteri Rangba ulong ban namar ba ompa dio ek kai phot ompa la ban nong ye.
After detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pinemount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pinemount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state. And in the recent past, there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore, we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pinemount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We will take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we are examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. So we feel that an improvement can be done in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, and based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things. Though these are not matters that requires us as a minister and the chief minister and all of us to come, but because even small matters like these are important to us, and concerns of students like this are important to us. So every single thing that we can do to make things better, we will do it. And this entire concern about the toilets not being in good condition, immediate steps will be taken to ensure that they are repaired. Those things are allegations could be there. That is something that the department will look into, and will give a report accordingly. But as I said, we are not here to look into that side. We are here really to see the way forward. We are here to ensure that we can take steps to improve things. And at the minister's level, chief secretary, and my level, once we come here and visit and take decisions, then things will be done at a much faster pace. So that's really what our objective is today. Any step that has to be taken will be based only on proper investigation or whatever reports that we get. So based on the reports, we will see and we will accordingly decide how to move forward. Sure, we will examine. As you are aware, that in the last 3.5 years, we have. I'm saying 3.5. The reason is because we had started the work of the improvement of infrastructure about 3.5 years back. We have done new construction of buildings as well as repair of old government school buildings in almost every school, and we have given a target to ourselves that we will try to touch all the schools, government schools that are there. So definitely what you have mentioned, that if there are any other schools, government schools, which require any kind of major repairs that need to be done, definitely we'll look into that also.